Hello, and thank you for joining us for another in-depth but easy to follow top vacuum cleaner recommendation list. We know that you live a busy life and don't have the time to dedicate to searching for the best vacuums on the market, which is why we did it for you. Our team at Show Home Style have spent countless hours researching and analyzing the top 100 vacuum cleaners available on the market today. And we've also scrutinized many customer reviews to bring you the best vacuum cleaners this year. Our final rankings are based on the type of vacuum, quality, practicality, and value for money. If you choose from our recommended list of models, you can be sure that you're buying a great vacuum. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below. Let's get started.